Hello and welcome. My name is Zamulli and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to block or disable pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome browsers. So let's get started. So in this video, we are going to block pop-ups and redirects in Google Chrome browser. Go ahead and launch your Google Chrome and then go to these three dots on the right top. Then move on to settings and click settings. Now go to privacy and security and then click on the settings. One thing to remember, Google keeps updating their user interface, so you will have to figure that out where the privacy and security is, and then site settings. Then move on and you will see here it says pop-ups and redirects. So if you don't want to see pop-ups on your Google Chrome browser when you are on the internet, and you also don't want to be redirected to unwanted pages, you definitely want to block it. So all you have to do, simply go ahead and see, block it if it's enabled, if you're getting lots of pop-ups and redirects on your browser. Block, if you want to allow certain sites, you can add site link here, and definitely otherwise it's going to block everything. Alrighty, so that's all for this video, guys. If you have any question, suggestion, leave in the comment below, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.